So basically, each one want to combat that fear with some sort of methodology or some technique, whomever has to offer. So it is a negative word, but it has. We'll be YouTube. No subscribers. Okay, fine. Chalo, chalega. Every day it's put it out. So that is out. And then what you had mentioned about YouTubers, 100 subscribers getting 100 subscribers. I've been an avid follower of all your YouTube videos.
Thank you, sir.
Other platforms have not been that much following yourself. I've been seeing the captions of YouTube. I'm watching almost all of the videos. I don't leave a single video.
Thank you, sir.
Because I find really a lot of value out of it. Because each and every 5 to 7 minutes, it is not at all a waste of time. Every minute is paisa vasool.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. So one question that I have, while you are posting your content on Instagram or YouTube or Facebook, so is there any kind of that if I want a lot more views or likes or comments?
Likes or comments, basically what I have noticed is from all the videos which I posted, one thing which got lot of views was, amongst all the videos, was related to fear.
Right.
That was really surprising for me, which implies that people are relating more to fear these days.
Right.
I don't know what is the reason behind it. The most things which the most number of views has been for the fear. The video I had created for crush fear with imperfect action. Okay, people are really interested with fear. Each one of us have different sort of fears. So basically, each one want to combat that fear with some sort of methodology or some technique, whomever has to offer. So it is a negative word, but it has its own impact on people, and it has a very good way of catching the attention of people. That was one of the words which I found in the list of words which I got from the copywriting course. Some of the tough words and negative words which capture immediate attention, like fear, terror, and all those sort of creating danger words, right? And then along with that, you add something to help them combat it or tackle it, that instantly add lots of impressions. Like immediately people start relating to that. You may say like, okay, how to stay happy and how to stay blessed and all those things, that also helps. But when you say something like that, like how to crush fear with all this amazing 5 ways and all sort of things, right? People get, okay, fine, let me try this, something like how you can do that. So this was my learning from like all these videos which I posted. It has been a lot of posts which I posted on Instagram. That is where it is hardly like 41 followers right now. So I had a lot of followers, and they were not actually contributing to the platform like the way I wanted to do. So I had to remove people, and I was about 100 followers, and I had to reduce because I wanted a platform so that people can learn actually from whatever I have to share, and also I can interact to help my learning as well. Like the way I've interacted with you, Devoted to Hustle, Rohit Raina, and some of the people, Satish Babu, who are have the same sort of thing, or they wanted to do something. Just as the way Rahul Bhai has to say, like we will have to be in the company of at least 5 people who are really trying to do something new. It should not be like, okay, it's like Instagram, just go through and then, okay, just swipe it out and then you are not doing anything. So it's about learning something new and sharing something new so that others can learn from that. Or you can learn from like people like you or Digital Monist. Like every day he has some, has a conversation with some expert. I am not able to join all of them, but I go through his posts and on the amazing tips which he is giving. So I go through those things and then finally learn from what he is doing, and then And of course, what you had mentioned YouTube regarding the Instagram hashtags.
Right.
I've been going through all the posts, all these people who are really doing excellent posts. I'm going through all the Instagram hashtags, what all I can do. Again, changing the hashtags, what all I can. Again, there is a lot of difference. Initially, I used to post like random pictures, and then in that there will be a valuable caption or a quote. That was how I started. Then the same Instagram hashtag, as you said, either you don't put or use the same hashtag.
Yeah.
It's like, okay, fine, every day 3-4 likes, okay, it's chalega, ऐसे चलता रह गया. And then finally, when I saw your video, and that is when I really started deep diving into each and everyone's hashtags, everyone, and then I started randomly finding out the number of posts in each and every hashtag. Then finally, I came to the hashtags which you are seeing right now. Even still, as you said, again, we'll have to revise. For each post, it should be a different hashtag. So it's immense learning from all of you, as I see on different platforms.
Yeah.